Amazing time. He was, we went to go see the Saints all the time as a kid, so really cool. It'll be available in June, and Sean, thank you so much for being here.
Competition to a whole new level. And you can win 2 tickets to the live season finale Monday, May 24th.
You can do it. Can you crawl over here? Whoa! Squeaky head. That was crazy. That was completely crazy. Can you do it? Oh.
One of the most trusted names in the business. Call National First Direct at 888-400.
Kick. Push. All right. Move your knees, move your hands. No. Oh.